Check, check, check. Can everybody hear me?
Check, check, check.
Son of a bitch, you can hear me. Holy cow. Wait for a few. What's going on, brother? What's going on, brother? What's up, man? We are just sharing this with a couple people real quick, and then we'll get going. We'll start doing some shit. So this is oh, already one dislike. I love it. Beautiful. This is the we don't fuck around and hide behind trading view stream. You can see that this is a live account and the live terminal is showing. It's a smaller account, so we will be made fun of because it's only small accounts. But again, it's about consistently growing the account every day. It's not about the account size. It's about consistently growing the account every day. But there will be people coming in here and saying that this is a small account. But you'll notice that this is a live account and the terminal is actually up with the trades that we're in because we're not pussies and we don't hide behind TradingView. Just so you know. So we're not pussies and we don't hide behind TradingView. And when I'm in a trade, you will see the trade that I'm in because I'm not a pussy. Does that make sense to everybody? Everybody got that? This is the no pussy stream. Sweet, man. You got your first 100 pip move today. Congratulations. So yeah, just want to let you guys know this is the no pussy stream. Okay? I'm not afraid to show live accounts because this is the no pussy stream. Way to go, man. That is awesome. That makes me happy, brother. Does it make you happy to know this is the no pussy stream? I mean, it's got to make some people happy to know that this is the no pussy stream, right? We don't hide behind TradingView. I mean, I think that's pretty cool. Maybe not, though. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just dreaming that it's actually cool and it's really not. I don't know. Who cares? No pussy stream. That's what we're gonna rename my stream. Is the no pussy stream. All right. So let's see what we got going on. We got missed the gold buys. Yes, you did. Oh, you're a bulldog. Okay, right on. Let's pull up our epic pen. Our beautiful little epic pen. Because we like epic pen for some reason. I don't know where the hell it is right now. There it is. I don't know why it didn't show up on there when the charts came up. So let's go back here. There she is. Damn it. There she is. There's that damn epic pen. All right. So we have a few things that we could be looking at the close of this hour. We might get a GDP yen buy, because our candle is looking like we might have a tail at the bottom that's longer than the body of the candle, which is what we look for. So this candle right here that is going to close in 22 minutes, we'll just have to look. And if that wick is long, that tail is longer than the body, and we don't have a wick at top, it would have to fill it a little bit more. But if we have that, then we're going to we'll go ahead and buy the pound yen. We have to be careful because we're coming up to this area at 151.65 right here, so we want to be a little bit careful of that. The best thing we could do is wait till see if it breaks above there. If it breaks above there and then pulls back and gives us the pattern, and then we can trade it all the way up into here, because there isn't really a major resistance level if it breaks this level we're coming up to until 152.46. So hopefully we can get a break of 151.59 and then a pullback. Because remember, I'm a little bit different than most of them. I don't trade when it breaks 151.59, it has to break, pull back, give me the buy signal, and then I would do it from there. Okay, so I am trading on Daniel Savage's and JP's broker, FX Live Capital. We've been working on a collaboration for a long time, and we just barely started yesterday. So the deposits into this account have just barely started, and they're going to grow. So I'm excited for the collaboration we got going on. I was just talking to Daniel for a second on Telegram, so maybe he'll join us here in a minute. But I'm excited about the collaboration. So if you haven't checked out the broker FX Live Capital, check it out. And we are on the leaderboard. So we'll go here real quick. While we have a few minutes, while we're waiting for. I don't want to monetize my YouTube stream. I hate YouTube. I don't really care about monetization. Maybe I should. You're probably right. I don't really care about YouTube. And I don't really care about monetization for all that. I really don't. I probably should. I'm not a very bright person, as you know. So I probably should. But I just don't give two flying fucks about YouTube. And I usually don't stream. And I'm usually not going to stream. So there it is right there, guys. The return 1.72% so far. And we just started it yesterday. So this is the leaderboard account at FX Live Capital. And that's my PAM account there. 11.58% in the last couple of days, 1.72% since yesterday, which is pretty damn good, if you ask me. But probably no one's asking me because they just don't give a damn, and that's fine too. Because most of the time I don't give a damn. Okay? So you can go into that account on there and you can put money into it. You control everything. It's pretty sweet. It's actually a pretty cool deal. And then you make money when we all make money. I think it's pretty sexy, to be honest with you. But again, no one's asking me what I consider sexy. So JP and Daniel have been very good to me. And I said this yesterday in my stream, and I'll say it again. Some people hate me, and that's fine. Some people hate JP and Daniel, and that's fine too. Some people will come up to me and say, I can't believe you're working with those guys. And they'll come up to those guys and say, I can't believe you're working with Clay and Iron Man. Nobody fucking cares what you think. Okay? They've been kind to me. They've been fair with me. And as long as they treat me fine and they treat me with respect, I'm going to treat them fine and treat them with respect. No matter what rumors there are out there of me or them, I don't give a fuck. As long as they treat me correctly and I treat them correctly, I'm going to collaborate with people. That's just the way it's going to go. So you can kiss my sweet middle-aged white ass if you don't like it. I don't care. All right? Now that we got that out of the way, because we have to do that every day, because we have people that come in here who are little whiny bitches. I had someone just messaged me this morning saying, oh my gosh, you're talking about me again. Oh my gosh, you're talking about me again. Yeah, I did 2 days in a row, and I'll probably talk about you again today. Yes, I am middle-aged. I am a middle-aged 44-year-old straight white dude. I'm the most oppressed person in the world right now, to be honest with you. Middle-aged white straight people are probably one of the most oppressed people in the world because we're not allowed to have any opinions on anything because we're so privileged. You know, I tried to go use my, I'm going to piss people off with this too. I tried to go use my, I really don't care about Wix, don't lie. I tried to go use my white privilege card today to buy groceries and it was declined. I tried to go use my white privilege card today at the grocery store and it was declined. And then I tried to go pay off my student loans with my white privilege card. It was declined for some reason. I don't know why. It was weird. So someone's got to let me know how to use it properly because my white privilege card didn't work correctly today to buy groceries. Yeah, I don't really care about Raja. I don't care. Listen, all the best to Raja. I don't care. Go do your thing. Again, the only reason I mention it at all is because, we'll just play it again. Let's play it again. Let's have some fun and play it again. The only reason I did that is because I got mentioned on Jeev Hyries, Capital Hungary's stream, and he went after me. So again, if you're going to go after me, I'm a counterpuncher. I'm going to go after you. I didn't start it. But if you're going to go after me, I'm going to go after you. I'm a counterpuncher. Listen to this. It's hilarious. This guy is a clown. Listen to this.
Trading said that is too complicated.
Listen to this. Listen to this. It's awesome. This is just awesome. Listen.
Where are you going to trade? What days and time are you going to trade? What's your process for trades? Your entry.
Okay, he's talking about a trading plan, and look at this trading plan. I don't need a 3-page trading plan to trade. I know what my this is a 3-page single typed trading plan, and I don't need a 3-page trading plan to trade. I know what my trading plan is. It's called attack. It's called make money. Listen to this. It's awesome.
Break even, partial TP, full TP. What's your journal process? Your explanations, market structure, what you look for, patterns, what you look for, previous good trade ideas that you look for.
This is awesome. Listen to this.
That is too complicated.
Listen to this.
Iron Man trading. That's why you've been trading for 17 years, penny lots.
Oh, it's the same thing every time. Penny lots. Again, dumbass. Just let me repeat this for you, you dumbass. If penny lot trading has got me to be able to go to Miami 7 times in the last year, Hawaii, multiple fishing trips, and I'm able to do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want, sign me up for penny lot trading every day of the week. If it gets me to be able to do what I want, I have the most amazing life. I get to do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want. I go to Hawaii, I go to Miami, I go fishing all the time. If penny lot trading allows me to do that, sign me up for that every day of the week. It's the same 3 lines they use against me every time. I trade in my laundry room. Oh, because where you trade from makes a huge difference, right? Again, Ace, let me repeat this. I wasn't beefing with anybody. That's what I'm saying. I wasn't beefing. I had left all of this alone, and then I got mentioned again in his stream, and I'm going to counterpunch. I had left it all alone.
You've been trading
this is great.
Fucking years, penny lots.
17 fucking years, penny lots. You Brampton Ute. Jeff's a Brampton Ute, by the way. 17 years, penny lots. Dude, you got to come up with new lines. You got to come up with new lines. It's old and it's tiresome. Your story has become tiresome, Jeev. Your story has become tiresome. I trade penny lots and I trade in my laundry room. Who fucking cares?
That's why you're stuck on there. You never had a trading plan. Sorry to say, buddy.
No, I don't have a trading plan. My trading plan isn't 3 pages. How does he have a point? What's his point? Please explain to me. Please elaborate for me, Boca, what his point is. Please elaborate what his point was. We're all ears. We're all ears. We'll give you the floor. What is the point? What is the point? Please elaborate. I'm all ears. And I've got kind of big ears, so I can listen really well.
Sorry, Clay.
Sorry, Clay.
You don't know shit about fundamentals.
Okay, and this is, again, he says, I don't know shit about fundamentals. This is the same Jeevan Hyrie that said that the Dow would be at 17,000 again. After it went to 17,000, okay, this is great. This is great. He says, if you are able to make profits, why would you make 50 instead of 5,000? Because I don't have any bills. I don't have to push it, Boca, and I trade differently. See, this is the thing that they don't understand. I trade differently. I swing trade. I'm not looking for 10-pip pussy moves like these guys do. I'm not looking for 10-pip pussy moves. I swing trade. So I'm going to add positions multiple times and hold trades for weeks. So I trade differently. It's really simple if you think about it. If you use your brain cells, which you may not have very many left, when you trade swing trading, you trade differently. When you swing trade, you trade differently. When you trade 10-pip scalp pussy trades, you trade differently. That's the point. And I'm surprised you don't understand that. How do you not understand that? I swing trade. I've been holding positions for over a month. Why do they laugh at me? I laugh at them because they laugh at me. Let me ask you a question, Boca. Does it matter where you trade from? Let me ask you a question. Does it matter where you trade from? Yes or no? Your laundry room, your front room. Does it matter where you trade from? Do I become a better trader if I trade outside of my laundry room? Boca, you're not understanding. I don't have to. I have no Boca. I have no bills. My house is paid for. I have no bills. I don't have to push it. That's the point. If I had $6,000 in bills every month, then yeah, maybe I would push it a little bit more. I don't have to. That's the point. You don't understand. It's called perspective. It's called what your goals are. I don't have to make a ton of money every month because I have no bills. Now, when you have $6,000 or $7,000 in bills a month because you're leasing stuff, no, Ace, you know me, man. I'm not that person. If he wants to come in here, that's fine. What does it matter? See, the point is, they say I trade from my laundry room, which it doesn't fucking matter where you trade from, and I trade penny lots. And again, I have the most amazing life. I get to do it. I'm sitting here I have no shoes on. I'm not going to my 9-to-5 job. I have an amazing life. And Boca, I thought the other question that's really interesting. I thought it was about just consistently growing your account, because that's what they say to everybody. They say to their group, it's not about the money. It's just about consistently growing your account. So I thought it was about consistently. Is it about consistently growing your account or not? Because I thought that it didn't matter what your account size was. I thought it was just about consistently growing accounts. So what happened to that? What happened to it's just about consistently growing accounts? What happened to that? I thought it was just about consistently growing accounts. But when they don't like you, or they don't like what you're doing, and you go after them, then it's, oh, you have a small account, you trade penny lots. Well, I didn't think it was about what the account size was. That's what you tell everybody. You tell everybody it's not about that. It's about consistently growing your account. That's what you tell people. I'm showing it right now. I'm literally showing it right now, Boca. So again, you're flat out lying. You're flat out lying. Look at the terminal right now. Look at, again, why does it matter how big the account is? I thought it was about consistently growing your account every day. So it's not about consistently growing your account. You just flat out lied. You said I never show a live account. Look at the fucking terminal right now. No one does that. Do any of the other people do that? You're a fucking clown. You just flat out lied. But you never showed your accounts. I'm showing it right now. See, the problem is, and the problem for people who don't have two coherent brain cells like Boca, you proved them wrong, because he flat out lied. He just said you never show live accounts, and I just said, actually, I'm doing it. He's like, well, you don't show this, and you don't show the history, and you don't show that. That's not what you said. You said I don't show a live account. So now he's moving. See what he's doing? He's moving the goalpost. But you're moving the goalpost. You first you said I don't show live accounts, and then when I proved that you're lying, now you said, well, you don't do this and you don't show this. See, he's always going to move the goalpost. Anyways, we're done worrying about what morons like Boca say. That's exactly what you said. That's exactly what you said. Do you need your comment read back to you? You say, but you have never, look at your comment at 850, Boca, but you have never showed your accounts. That's what you said at 850. That was your comment, but you never show accounts. Are you saying that everyone can go look at your comment at 850, but you have never showed your accounts? I'm showing it right now. You flat out lied. You flat out lied. But now you're moving the goalpost. You're like, oh, no, it's not that you don't show accounts. It's that you're only showing the trades that you're in, which is, again, more than 99% of the people that YouTube stream do. Account history. Here we go. Do you want the account history? Is that what you want? Well, when I show you the account history for this, where will you move the goalpost to then? When I show you the account history on this, what will you move the goalpost to then? What will it be that you need to see then when I show you the account history of this? What will the goalpost be? Where will you move it to? There it is, right there. It was just started yesterday. It was just started yesterday. It's already up $43.13. It was just started yesterday. Oh, this is so great. This is so great. So look what his comment is now. This guy is hilarious. So now look what he says. I love this, guys. I'm sorry. But now he says, not a live trade. That doesn't mean anything. Live trades don't mean anything? Guys, folks, your live trades that you're in right now, they don't mean anything. They mean nothing. Are you for real? Are you for real? Are you seriously saying that live trades don't matter? Wow. 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 Live trades don't matter, guys. Live trades don't matter. I mean, you're making yourself look like an idiot. We need to get back to the charts, but this is hilarious. It's hilarious. And now they're worthless too. This is so good. I mean, honestly, you know what? I'm gonna go to my kitchen right now, and I'm gonna just pop some popcorn, and we're just gonna sit back and let this guy bury himself, and so everyone can see what a moron he is. Someone go get some fucking popcorn right now and start baking some popcorn, and we're just gonna sit back and let him talk. Let's just sit back and watch him talk. I mean, honestly, let's just sit back. Dude, keep talking. It's better to not talk than to open your mouth and prove to people that you are an idiot. But you take the tacos because you like to talk and actually, so everyone can see that you're an idiot. No, that's what you get when you make stupid comments like live trades don't matter. It's just... Live trades don't matter. So what? So I'm sorry. I cannot believe that we have someone in the YouTube stream that says live trades don't matter. Yeah. So we're just gonna listen to him because this guy's awesome. Okay, we're just gonna listen to him.
This is the checkers game where grandson and granddad will bond.
You're acting like a moron. It's pretty easy. So we're just going to listen to you. We'll get a little background music going here for you, and we'll just listen to you absolutely make everyone not think you're an idiot. You're proving that you are an idiot. So we're just going to sit back, eat some popcorn right now, and we'll just listen to you, man. Just keep talking, man. We're listening. I mean, it's unreal. First, live trades don't matter. See how he always changes, like Gao was saying, always changing the goalpost. When he gets called out for being an idiot, then he just moves it. No, it wasn't that I said you didn't do this. It's this and this. It's hilarious. I mean, yeah, we're playing the Jeopardy music. We just want to sit back. Yeah, I've been showing live trades and live history in my accounts for a long time. But don't worry, it doesn't matter. Well, see, the other thing too is, hey, Boca, you know what too? Here, let me. I'm gonna unplay the music for a second. Boca says, "This is great. This is great. He's been showing positions. Everyone wants to see history of him building his account. Well, I want 5 Victoria's Secret models to show up at my door this morning, Boca. I want 5 Victoria's Secret models to show up at my door this morning. But just because I want it doesn't mean it's going to happen. I want a lot of things. I want 5 Victoria's Secret models to show up at my door today. Probably not going to happen. Likelihood of that happening, very slim. You can want all you want. You can want a lot of things. I want 5 Victoria's Secret models to show up at my door. Everyone wants to see his history of his building his account. Well, I want 5 Victoria's Secret models at my house. Can we make that happen? Can we make that happen right now? I really, really would like that. I really, really would like that. Just because you want something doesn't mean you're entitled to it. First of all, you're not entitled to anything. We all want to see it. How about no? He says, just show what you say you got. How about no? How about no? How does that grab you? How does that grab you? How about no? I just showed it the other day that I'd made 20% in the last month. How about no? Why don't you go crawl back into the cave that you were in? Because how about no? How about no? I'm showing more on this YouTube stream than 99% of the YouTube streamers show it all, and you want me to show everything, but you don't demand that they show the same thing. I show more in this than most YouTube streamers show at all. But you want more from me, but you don't demand the same thing from them, which I find hilarious. You're demanding olives of me, but you don't demand the same from other people. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. I'm not ashamed at all. I'm not ashamed because you're not relevant. Nobody cares what you think. That's the point, Boca. Nobody cares. When I wake up in the morning and think of all the important people in my life, you're not one of them. Nobody cares. And you notice how you haven't gotten kicked out of the stream? Because we don't kick people out. You make yourself look like an idiot by how much talking you do. Live trades don't matter. Moving the goalposts. Nobody fucking cares what you think. You're not relevant. When I wake up in the morning and I think, oh my gosh, am I going to trade in my laundry room today? Oh my gosh, am I going to trade penny lots? I don't think about you. Nobody fucking cares. Nobody cares. You have an overheightened sense of your relevance. You have a really bad problem with an overheightened sense of your relevance. Nobody cares. Nobody. Nobody fucking cares. I guess you're ashamed. I'm not ashamed of anything, man. Because you're not relevant. I don't care about you. I don't care what your opinion is. Nobody fucking cares what your opinion is. You're ashamed. No, because I fucking don't care about you. Go back and crawl into the cave you came from. There's nothing to go on, guys. There's no trading going on right now, so we can have this fun. Hey, JP, what's up, brother? So I'm just different than everybody when I stream. People say ignore it. That's just not my style. I mean, obviously, he's looked like an idiot the whole time. JP, he came in here and he said that live trades don't matter. I'm pretty sure live trades matter. Pretty sure they matter. Okay. Anyway, let's talk some gold. Okay. Let's let Boca bury himself even more by making stupid comments. And I mean, you should rest comfortably tonight, Boca, knowing that when you are a complete miserable failure trading, that you have a job as a comedian. I mean, you should rest really comfortably tonight on your pillow knowing that when your trading career fails, you have a job as a comedian. That should give you comfort. You should be really comforted tonight knowing that, you know what? When I fail again at trading, which I will, I have an amazing opportunity to be a comedian. Yeah, he's got a job as a comedian, man. I mean, he's been entertaining us all day long. I've got my popcorn, and it's like I don't even have to pay for the movie right now. He's free entertainment. He's an amazing comedian. So when you fail miserably at trading, which you will because you're a fucking moron, you have a job as a comedian. I would be really comforted by that if I were you. Okay, so gold, we're at 1808, 1809, and we're not able to right now to push through, so the buyers aren't pushing through right now. They're swing trade. I'm different. I swing trade. I'm going to trade smaller lots because I swing trade. And again, it doesn't matter. I thought it was about consistently growing your account, but apparently it's not. It's about just balls to the wall. I have to impress my 16-year-old girlfriend, Because if you're part of the Forex family, that's what you like to do. You probably have a 16-year-old girlfriend. If you're part of the Forex family, you like underage girls. So you probably have to try and impress your high school girlfriend. And so you have to go balls to the wall and think you have to make a ton of money. Because if you're part of the Forex family, you like underage girls. Not all of them, but most of them. So if you're part of that group, then you definitely like underage girls. So you probably are thinking you have to impress your 16-year-old, probably sophomore in high school girlfriend. Maybe a junior. Maybe she's graduated, I don't know, to a junior. So if you're part of that group, then you definitely like the underage girls. And we do have proof of that. So, okay, so if we break this level here, then the next level, really, there's not a lot of resistance up into 1832. This would be my next target. If we break 1807 pretty significantly, then the next target would definitely be 1832. Okay, I want to be in these trades if that happens. So in order to buy this again, I would want it to break above 1809 by a pretty significant amount, pull back to 1809, and then give me the pattern that I'm looking for, which the pattern I'm looking for is obviously a tail at the bottom longer than the body of the candle with no wick at top. I'm going to arrow that one right there, and you're going to see that candle right there is a perfect buy candle for me. Okay? It has a tail at the bottom longer than the body of the candle with no wick at the top at the close of the hour. So if I'm going to buy this again, it needs to break 1808 by a significant amount, pull back to 1808 with that pattern, and then I'm going to buy it. My first target will be up at 1832. Okay? So right now we don't do anything because, for one, we don't have a 1 hour candle close, and I'm not going to trade unless I have the 1 hour candle close. It's Friday. You know, if you're a member of the Forex family, you're probably getting ready to go on a date with your underage girlfriend. Not all of them. I won't label all of them, but some of those guys, you know, they like those underage girls. So they probably got to wax up their Pinto, or they're probably going to rent their Lamborghini for the day. So this is great. This is great. So this is another hilarious thing right here. So this is how stupid Boko is. So he says to Ga, "Why does Raja matter to you?" So I'm going to throw that back question at you, Boko. Why do I matter to you? So you say, "Why does Raja matter to you?" Well, why do I matter to you, Ga, or Boka? Why do I matter to you? I mean, if you're gonna say, why does Raja matter to you, then I could throw that back at you and say, then why do I matter to you? Why are you in here trying to get me to do all these different things that you don't demand of other people? So why do I matter to you? You can't see. You like to have your cake and eat it too. See, this is why you're not consistent in your outrage, because you say, well, why does Raja matter to you? Raja doesn't matter to me. I wish Raja nothing but success. But why do I matter to you? See? See how there's one set of rules for them, but then there's another set of rules for other people. They don't demand the same thing of other people that they demand of themselves. So I agree with you. Raja shouldn't matter to anybody, but why do I matter to you? But I matter enough for you to come in here and try and ask me to show a bunch of stuff. So I obviously matter enough to you to do that. I seem to be ill and delusional. See, again, this is what happens, folks. This is a perfect example. He must be a Democrat. He must be a Democrat. He must be a liberal. Because when you can't argue facts and logic, they resort to this kind of comment where he says, you must be ill and delusional. I'm not the one that says that live trades don't matter. I'm not the one that has changed the goal. So this is what they do. Again, Carl, I know what you're saying. Carl, I get what you're saying. I'm just different, man. Okay, I'm just different. My style is different. I respond. I'm not someone that just ignores people. Sometimes I will, but I actually kind of just like them. I like to expose them a little bit more. I'm just a little bit different, but we can focus on other things. That's fine. But it's funny that he says that I seem ill and delusional. But that's what they usually do when they can't argue facts and logic. Everything I've said he can't argue because it's made logical sense. So he has to resort to the personal attacks. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. It's great. Whatever gets you up in the morning, man. Whatever floats your boat. Okay, so we're going to stay probably for another 50 minutes. It sucks. I really don't want to stay for another 50 minutes because I hate YouTube. But we have a couple things that are going on. The GDP, obviously, if it closed like this in 52 minutes, then we would take a trade on this. We would take a buy, right? Because that tail at the bottom is longer than the body of the candle. But we have 50 minutes that we can sit here and shoot the breeze, eat popcorn, and just listen to idiots bury themselves. So it's great. We can even probably play back the Jeopardy music. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay, so this is fun. This is nice, right? We like this. This is always fun. We have a fun time. We'll play the Jeopardy music back. We'll play the Jeopardy music back. We like Jeopardy, don't we? Sure, why not? We like Jeopardy. We like Jeopardy. We can handle that, right? We are just enjoying Boca. Man, it's so damn good to see you, man. You watching the best CH? Yes, Clayton Hall. That's me. My name is Clayton and my last name is Hall. Yes, correct. I am watching the best. My name is Clayton, my last name is Hall. CH, you're right. Yes, I'm watching myself. Perfect. Thank you for that. Clayton Hall. No. No, Clayton Hall. Oh, we haven't done that yet. Sorry, we have to dislike the stream too. Are you talking about the same the person that predicted that the Dow FX Mike? Are you talking about the same person that predicted the Dow would be at 17,000 right now? Is that the same person that predicted last May or June that the Dow would be at 17,000 right now? That person? That person that said I don't know shit about fundamentals, but said that the Dow would be at 17,000 or below right now? Are you talking about that guy? Are you talking about that guy? You mean the guy that said that the Dow would be at 17,000 right now? Are we talking about that guy? That guy? Are we talking about him? That said the Dow would be at 17,000? See, there it is again, guys. Look at this. Perfect. There it is again, because that's all they have. That's the only lines they have. Look at it again. IMFO. Keep trading that 0.01. I told you, that's all they have. That's the only arguments they have. So again, they're so predictable. When is the comment coming that I trained for my laundry room, FX Mike? When is that? Is that the next comment? It's so predictable. Your story is tiresome. It's predictable. I thought it was just about consistently growing accounts, FX Mike. I thought it was about consistently growing accounts. Isn't that what it's all about? I didn't think it mattered what the lot size was or this. There he is right there. Beautiful. Shed boy. I love it. I love it. Hey, where's the 17,000 Dow, Jeff, that you predicted? Where's that at? Let's go back to that video of yours. Where's that 17,000 Dow? I don't withdraw. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I don't withdraw. So now we're just going to show that I don't withdraw. Now I don't withdraw. This is hilarious. Really, I don't withdraw now. So now I don't withdraw. Where's your see? This is all they can do. Steelhead scam, steelhead scam. Where is the 17,000 Dow that you predicted? Where's the 17,000 Dow you predicted? I'm still waiting for that. Where is it, Jeff? Where's the 17,000 Dow that you predicted? Waiting for it. So now I don't withdraw. 854,952. 854,952. Where's that 17,000 Dow? Where is the 17,000 Dow? Why won't you answer that question? Where's that 17,000 Dow? You know what? Let's just go to your video. Let's do that. Let's go to your video where you predicted the Dow would be at 17,000. And the greatest thing about that prediction was that you said that the move down was just a natural The move down was just a natural thing. No, the move down was because of COVID. You say I don't know anything. You say I don't know anything about fundamentals, but you said that the move down was just because of that. No, the move down was because it's so
When
funny.
you earn a degree with University of Phoenix,
He said the move down on the Dow was because of. I mean, it's just funny. I don't know anything about fundamentals. The move down was just because of that. No, the move down was because of COVID. But we'll just go look at it. Let's just go look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. He brought his people in here. It's so wonderful. So wonderful. Here it is right here. Well, that actually isn't the one. Let's make sure we're doing the right one. There it is right here. Let's just go look at this.
It'd be very cool. It'd be cool just to experience it. It'd suck for the world and stuff, and like a lot of the working class people again. But man, like it's not. Candles were.
Where's that 17,000 Dow?
Then you had buyers jump in, correct 50% of the downside move, and create that lower high, and you're like, okay, we can get some more sellers pressure in. That seller's pressure did come in. It was the momentum was a lot weaker, and it stopped on a dime at our key level and that previous low. That's not enough sellers momentum or sell orders to break structure and to have that meltdown. And we're almost coming back to test these previous lower high points. We can get a little bit more.
Oh, don't worry, it's coming. I know, don't worry, it's coming.
Buyers in the market to break the high, or we can break and retest the high. And once we break,
don't worry. He predicted it was going to go down to 17,000. You guys can all
like a new higher high in this structure, because that's how the structure has been running.
Yeah.
It's going to change this happen.
Look at this arrow right there.
Right. So we might as well learn to take advantage.
He knows damn well what it was. Yeah, that's another one they do, and I've never had any drugs in my life.
Claims and the Jolt's jobs opening, where that's all in suit with the last two optimistic NFP reports.
Yeah,
it will bring more market.
Never done any drugs in my life, but you keep saying that stuff.
Economy starting to open up again, and like people going back to work. That even in the short
term. Oh, we're gonna find it. I'll find it again. Don't worry. You know damn well what you did, man. You know damn well what you did.
Is lockdown confirmed round 2?
We'll find it. Stagnant. You know damn well what you predicted, dude. Don't tell me you didn't.
Banks are ordering or noticing massive orders.
We'll find it
from like stocks into bonds, and if you don't know, stocks and bonds like work hand in hand.
We'll find it. Don't worry.
One with the other, they move in opposites. Right? Like whenever stocks are extremely high, bonds are low, and vice versa. So a lot of major banks have been.
We'll find it. It's there. Trust me, I'm going to show you.
And have market fear, as well as we need lockdown. If we have lockdown, this is going to happen. And then bonds are low, and vice versa. So a lot of major banks have.
We're going to find it. Trust me. I saw it the other day again. We'll find it, but don't worry.
Which is telling us they might be anticipating a major crash coming into stocks.
They might a major crash.
Rumors, All right. Is it okay if I sign up for a macro econ class? Yeah, do your thing, man.
Do you know damn well this is what you said?
Capital hungry to get fluent like me. You want to get fluent like I never took I took a macroeconomic class.
Wait a second. First of all, you're saying show it. Now you're saying if lockdown. See what he does now? He capitalizes it and says if lockdown. No, the lockdown had already happened. It had already happened. So now you're saying no if lockdown. You said you didn't say it at all. Now you're saying if lockdown. So you're contradicting yourself again.
Of course, but it doesn't teach you stuff like this, man. This is the market will teach you, You go through these experiences. What taught me so much is just being involved in the market and asking why. I've been involved in the markets for only 3 years, but in that 3 years, I've seen political issues between countries. Have been some other type of catalyst to bring mass market fear. This is just an economic cycle that has been repeating in history.
Oh, it's there, bud. You know it's there, man.
A major change.
You know it's there.
So keep that in mind when you're dealing with the U.S. stock market. And with that being said, it is easier to buy the U.S. stock market than to sell it, because when you are buying the index.
You know it's there, man.
Certain
Oh, actually,
percent
maybe it was this one. I might be on the wrong one.
new highs.
We'll find it. It's there. You know it's there.
Create somewhat of a top.
You know you said it. You know you said it would go down to 17,000 again. Don't fucking lie.
And we have this area of price sensitivity historically that we are
I'll find it.
to, that we can
It's
see
there.
a potential pullback phase to retest this bullish market structure, get more buyers in the market. And
oh, Pedomac. Perfect. Pedomac's here.
Downside move.
Pedomac. Let me ask you a question. Pedomac. Are you planning on your date with the underage girls today or no? You're so funny, dude. I will find it. Pedo, are you planning on that date with the underage girls? Are you planning on those yet? Is that happening?
Okay,
when can we expect that? Oh, it's coming. Don't worry.
In some of the market structure and price actions.
I'll find it. It must be a little bit longer. With your wife? Oh, that's great. Well, you know, I mean, do you need the number to call? Listen, isn't this beautiful?
Stocks, you're really riding with smart money, and you're riding with the support of the Feds. You can't fight the Feds, right? They literally have unlimited.
All right, let's go back to the charts. It's there. You guys can look at it. I'll show it to you. I'll post it again. Let's go look at the charts. I need to do whatever the hell I want, Lou, but thank you. Okay, so guys, this is the guy. Mac is the guy that said he had pictures of my underage daughter on his phone. No, you didn't, dude. You know damn well what you said. Gosh. You know damn well what you said. Okay, so I'm going to explain this again. So let's try to actually have a conversation while I'll find this. Okay, let's try to have a conversation. I thought it was about consistent trading. I thought it was about. No, I said Mac said he had pictures of my underage daughter on his phone, you dumbass. Listen, Mac literally said that he had pictures of my underage daughters. So I thought it was about consistently growing your account. Penny Lot King. See, that's the only thing they can say. The only thing they can say. And there's the laundry room comment. Awesome. There's the penny lot thing. That's perfect. The penny lot and the laundry room. It's beautiful because that's the only thing they have. That's the only thing they have. They can't say anything else because that's the only thing they have. Laundry room, penny lot. And again, I've traveled to Miami 7 times in the last year. I've been to Hawaii. I get to do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want. If penny lot trading gets me to be able to do those things, sign me up for penny lot trading. Every day of the week. Every day of the week, sign me up for penny lot. If I get to do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want, sign me up for penny lot trading. Sign me up for penny lot trading. I just can't. Mac, you stopped streaming because you suck at trading. You stopped streaming because you suck at trading. Just be honest. You stopped streaming because you suck at trading. It's great. Anyways. I didn't start this again, guys. I actually, and I've said this a million times, I actually enjoyed listening to Jev's streams. I'm not usually up. I didn't start this again. I made a comment yesterday about I don't need a 3-page trading plan. I know what my trading plan is. I don't need a 3-page trading plan. And Jev went after me like crazy. Jev went after me like crazy because I said I don't need a 3-page trading plan. If you need a 3-page single type trading plan, then you're an idiot. I didn't start this again. I didn't start this. I didn't start it again. Go back to your cave-dwelling sand, Middle Eastern sand country, Jeevan. Go back to butt-fucking goats. Go back to the cave crawled out of, you Middle Eastern sand person. Go back to Pakistan. I don't do whatever you want. I don't fucking care. Go back to Pakistan and your sand and go butt fucking goats. Marketers hate you. And here's the other thing too. Jeff always complains that people are marketers. Jeff has a paid service and great. But he always says, oh, these marketers. Jeff has a paid service, people, and he markets his paid service all the time. And it's fine. Market your paid service. Nobody cares. But he always gets mad at people for marketing and don't pay attention to these so-called gurus and these marketers. You market too. I don't have signals anymore, and I don't do any of that. But that's not the point. That's not the point. The point is, you get mad at people for doing the same damn thing you do, and I'm all for you doing it. Do it. But don't get mad at people for doing the same damn thing that you do. I got my EA, yeah, I do. I don't have signals anymore, but nice try. They weren't always wrong, but yeah, think whatever the hell you want. Think whatever the hell you want. I actually enjoyed listening to him. I didn't start this again. I for some reason, I woke up yesterday, I went into his stream, and he went after me because I said a 3-page trading plan is too complicated. You don't need a 3-page trading plan. That's all I said, and he went after me. I didn't start this again. And I probably will just stop talking about it after today anyway. I didn't start this. I didn't start this. He went after me because I said I don't need a trading plan. It was too complicated. I don't need a 3-page single-typed trading plan to tell me what my plan is. I don't need that. Oh, so see again, it's personal attacks. See, all it is ever personal attacks. Now Max says you graduated from Phoenix University. That's an online degree. See, do you see what they do? It's all personal attacks because they can't argue facts and logic. I would actually love to have a factual argument with Jeevan. He'll never do it with me. He'll never do it with me. I would actually like to have a substantive conversation about charts and everything, but Mac will never do it. He just does personal attacks. Well, when I get attacked personally, sometimes I will attack Naya personally. You're right, and fair point. But I'm talking about the charts, and I would love to have a conversation. No, you wouldn't. Give me a break, crypto. I mean, you can say what you want, but I just don't think that's the case. But say what you want. That's fine. We're going to focus on looking at some trades. I would love to have a conversation with that. No, Sebastian. And again, I thought it was about consistently growing accounts. I thought it was about consistently growing accounts. I don't care about YouTube. Dude, I dislike my own stream. I don't care about YouTube likes. I don't care about YouTube streams. I don't care about any of that. I disliked my own stream. Why do I care? I literally dislike my own streams. I don't fucking care. They're probably up your ass right now, XAU, remember. My withdrawals are probably up your ass. Dude, it's all love until Mac. Did or did you not say you have pictures of my underage daughter on your phone? Yes or no? It's a very simple question. Did or did you not say you have pictures of my underage daughter on your phone? Yes or no? You'll never answer that question. Did or did you not say you have pictures of my underage daughter on your phone? Yeah, it's up 4%. It's up 4% since yesterday. It's not bad. So my EA is trash, but it's up 4% since yesterday. Again, you can say what you want. That's fine. You're entitled to your opinion. Matt, did or did you not say that you have pictures of my underage daughter on your phone? Yes or no? Mac, you didn't? So we need to go to the Telegram chat? Do you want me to go to the Telegram chat where you said you had pictures of my underage daughter on your phone? Do you need me to go back to that? In the Panda chat, do you need me to go back there and show you where it was? Because you know damn well you did. You You've lost more RTA paying members. Actually, I've passed a lot of them. Dude, I don't know how many times I've said to you guys. I don't know how many times. I'm not hating on you, Jeeve. I've told you a million times in your stream, I actually really enjoy listening. But when you attack me, I attack you. Just like you're a counterpuncher too. If you get attacked, you attack. We're actually pretty similar in our. Most people just ignore people. I don't. You come on my stream and say that, I'm gonna go after you. But you attack people all the time. So, Mac, we all know, dude. We can. I don't have it. We all know. We all know. Well, we're pretty similar, man. We're similar in the way that when people come into our streams and try and attack us, we attack back. That's what I was saying. But that's great. Yeah, I'm definitely holding back the tears. You can see it right now. Oh my gosh, I'm just so sad. I'm amazingly sad right now. You can tell oh my gosh, it's just so. Oh, SMA. No, I'm not Biden's sleepy friend. And to be honest with you, I've never been ashamed to be an American until yesterday when there was 13 soldiers died because we have a dementia patient in the White House. So I've never been more ashamed to be an American, actually, because we have a dementia patient. Joey, probably the street bum. I would invest in the street bum if I were you. I would probably invest in the street bum. I'm not related to Joe Biden. Okay, so let's talk trading for a minute. Okay, we can get back to this because this is fun, and there's like a half hour left. Maybe, and yeah, it's possible. I'm Biden's cousin. That's great. Again, just the personal attacks. It's beautiful. What is dementia? What is dementia? Can you explain to me what dementia is, Cassim? Please explain to me what dementia is. What is dementia? What is dementia? I don't know what dementia is, so you have to tell me what it is. Good for you, Xander. That's awesome. What is dementia? Where's the what is dementia? What is dementia? Because if you're gonna attack people, at least get at least like diagnose what it is properly. So he says he means dementia. Obviously, why are you being? Because if you're gonna go after someone, you're gonna rip on someone. At least be accurate and at least know what the diagnosis is. Just saying. Well, yeah, but if you're going to go after it, I mean, literally, if you're going to attack someone, you'd think you'd want to be accurate and at least know what the diagnosis is. I'm 2 years old, bud. Grow up and do your analysis. I will probably do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want. Lucia, no. I'll probably do whatever the hell I want. But let's do this. Okay, so now that these people are here, we're actually going to teach them something that's very, very important. Because these people do need to learn something. Okay, so now that you're here, we can explain to you. I trade. I am looking for a candle. If I'm going to buy, I'm looking for a candle that has a tail longer than the body of the candle, like that one right there. Okay, and I wait for the close of the 1 hour candle. So in that instance right there, I would be taking a buy at the opening of that next 1 hour candle right there. My pattern is I look for that arrow, I look for that tail longer than the body of the candle. That's a buy candle to me. And then I'm going to buy it at the opening of the next 1 hour candle. It's always fun, man. Thank you. Okay, so your entry would have been right there. You would have made money on that. So just go over on the 1 hour time frame, go over every time. Go over every time you have a tail longer than the body of the candle. You see, instead of actually doing something, you actually could learn something here because the pattern is very accurate, but we don't expect you to learn it because you're just a dumbass. So there it is right there again. There it is right there again. There it is right there again. And we have it forming. The reason we're talking about this too right now is because we have it forming right now. Okay? So of those examples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, every single one of those you would have made money. I'm teaching you the pattern that I trade that's 85% accurate if you fucking pay attention. That pattern, and what does that signify? Because it's the same thing. Yes. You do your back testing on it. Don't take my word for it. Just do your back testing. And I'm telling you, you'll be right 85% of the time. I'm just telling you. I don't follow Daniel Savage's signals. Nice try though. That's beautiful. Well, what in that is inaccurate? I just showed you 5 times in the last 17 days. Oh, I'll show you the withdrawals. Don't worry. Because I trade differently. Gee, you know this, dude. You know this. You know this. If you swing trade, you trade differently than if you are going just in one lot. You know this. You know the difference between swing trading and not. Oh, monkey, that's pretty good too. We should just be silent for a second, just listen to all these amazing comments. Don't take my word for it because I'm just some schmuck on the internet, right? Just back test it. It works on any time frame, any pair. You want to do it on the 15-minute candle? Go to the 15-minute candle. We'll go to the 15-minute candle. You want to do it on the 15-minute? Let's go. Okay, you're just going to start circling every time you have a tail longer than the body, and it's going to work. You want to do it on the 15-minute chart? Do it on the 15-minute. Just back test it. Don't take my word for it. I don't want anyone to listen to me and do that. Just back test it. Kasim, seeing that I have a master's degree in clinical and forensic psychology, I would think that if I had dementia, I would know and I could actually diagnose it because I have a master's degree in clinical psychology. So nice try. So just back test it. I don't want anyone to take my word for it. Just back test it. And the problem is none of you will do that. Because you're just here to complain because Jev. And here's the other thing about Jev too. Just so you guys understand. This happened about a year and a half ago. I didn't even know who Jev was. And I heard this guy was making fun of me for this or that. Jev tried to get my Instagram account canceled when I had like 180 followers because I was going after him. Jev literally said that he would pay people for his monthly stuff if they would report my account to Instagram. Who does that? Like, how petty are you? How insecure are you that someone goes after you? You try to get their account canceled. Their Instagram account. Who does that? Who does that? Who tries to get people's Instagram accounts? And then Jev goes after people all the time. And you know what happened when people started going after, what happened when people started going after Jev? He canceled his Instagram account. He canceled it. He got rid of it because he couldn't handle the heat. He couldn't handle it. Did you cancel your Instagram account, Jev? Yes or no? You know damn well what you did. You tried to get my YouTube account, my Instagram account canceled. You know that. Did you get rid of your Instagram? You got rid of your Instagram because you couldn't handle. You're really good at going after people. You're actually really good at it. But then when people go after you, you got rid of your IG because now it got banned. I see. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. Whatever, man. I'm about to cry. And Jeff, the other thing about Jeff too that's really interesting, it's really interesting because Jeff always complains that he doesn't get enough credit. He's always like, I do all this free stuff on my Capital Hungry stuff. I do all this, and there's some good stuff on there. And I don't get enough credit. I don't get enough credit. There's all these people in here. There's all these other people that get so much more credit. Jeff needs validation all the time. Go listen to his YouTube streams where he's complaining about, and then he took all of his YouTube videos down for a while because he wasn't getting enough credit from people. This is a person that's very insecure. Very insecure. He took all his stuff down because he had a temper tantrum and people weren't giving him enough credit. They weren't signing up for stuff. So he took it all down. He took it all down. You know he did. No, I'm not bipolar. Did you take your stuff down, Jeff? Yes or no? Did you take all your videos down for a little bit? That's not what I asked. I asked if you took all your videos down for a little while. Yes or no? All your YouTube videos. And do you always complain? Did you take them down or not? Ashley, the more you ask about it, the more I don't care. That's not what I asked you. See, again, you're dancing around the question. Did you remove all your YouTube videos for a while? Yes or no? Boki, yes, because I don't really care about YouTube. I've said that a million times. I don't give two flying fucks about YouTube. I don't care. I don't care. You took down all your videos. You took down all your videos, man. Because you couldn't handle it because you weren't getting enough credit from people. Fine if you want to take down your videos, but the reason why is because you weren't getting enough credit from people. So we're going to stay on here for about 20 more minutes. We might get another live trade or two because we don't hide behind TradingView in this stream. When we're streaming, the terminal is up, and it's the same arguments every time. Oh, it's a small account. Oh, but it's about consistently growing your account, right? It's about consistently growing your account. That's what they'll tell you until you do this. It's about consistently growing your account, right, Jeff? Isn't that what it's about? I actually just showed the history. We can show it again. Do you want to see it again? Do you want to see it again? We can show it to you again. There's the history right there. I just showed it. I'm showing it right now, Xander. There it is. Raul, I'm not saying you can't have a trading plan, but what I'm saying is, do you need a 3-page trading plan? Do you need a 3-page single type trading plan? That's what I was saying. I don't need a trading plan. I know what my trading plan is. This account just started yesterday, so why would I have withdrawals from it? And this is the account I'm working with JP and Daniel on. This is the PAM account at their broker that we just started yesterday. So why would I withdraw? This is the PAM account at FX Live Capital. Did you not hear what I just said? This isn't even my stuff. This is JP and Daniel that I'm working with. We are collaborating on some stuff. Did you not listen to what I said? This is the PAM account that people are going into. Just started yesterday. How am I scamming more people now when I don't even have access to the people that put money into there? I don't know who put money into there, and I don't have access to any of that. How is that? How am I scamming? Please explain that to me. I don't even know who put money into this account. Can you explain to me how I'm scamming people? I don't even know who puts money into there. All these little deposits that they're starting and they're gonna grow. I don't even know who they are. How is that scam? How am I scamming anyone when I don't even know who these people are that put money into the account? I have no access to know any of that information. How am I scamming them? See, you got to be, at least when you got to be accurate when you talk smack about me. At least be accurate. I don't even know who these people are. I don't even know who they are. Xander, I just explained it to you. This account was started yesterday. I've been showing my live account. I'm up 20% in my account. I show it every day on my Instagram. I show it every day. Every day I show it. Later, Jeff. Go back to the sand blowing people and butt fuck goats, because that's what you guys do in the Middle Eastern countries. Go butt fuck your goats without lube. I actually enjoyed listening to you, man. But if you think you're gonna come after me and I'm not gonna come after you when you come after me, you're just sorely mistaken, man. I actually have no problem with you. I didn't have any problem, and I still won't. But you can't attack me and then think I'm not going to counterpunch. You would do the same damn thing. You know it. You know you would do the same damn thing. I mean, do we need to go over what he said yesterday? Do we need to go over what he said about me yesterday? I had totally forgotten about him. I actually, again, went into his streams and said I enjoyed listening to him. But then because I make a comment and say a 3-page trading plan is too complicated, he tries to roast me. So again, I'm a counterpuncher. I'm going to come back. I'm not the one that always starts this, guys. That's the funny thing too. I'm a counterpuncher. Oh, you don't. You don't. But you should show it to everybody. You absolutely should do the opposite of what I'm doing. You're absolutely right. Please do the opposite. Okay, we got 15 minutes left. We'll see if we have a trade brewing in 15 minutes. With 17 years experience in trading cent lots on demo/live. Well, I'm pretty sure this is a live account. Do you not see that it's a live account? Boca, I show it every day on my Instagram, and I will show it again today. Oh, you don't see anything saying it's live? Okay, well maybe we'll move it. Maybe that'll help you. Will that help you? Or does it get blocked? It might get blocked with that. So Alejandra, you've been making comments, and that's fine. Maybe there is. You're right, Kasim Ali. Go keep butt fucking goats. Go keep butt fucking goats without lube. No one cares. Alejandra, can I ask you a question? I thought it was about just consistently growing account. Alejandra, what happened to it's just about consistently growing your account? What happened to that? What happened to that? I thought it was just about consistently growing your account. I didn't think it was about lot size. I didn't think it was about account size. I thought it was just about consistently growing your account. What happened to that? So now it is about lot size? No, just answer my question. See, you guys always do this, and now there's not as many. I thought it was just about consistently growing your account. Why can't you answer my question? It seems like such a really easy question to answer. I thought it was just about consistently growing your account. Yes or no? So it is just about consistently. Well, I mean, you can see this account that just started yesterday, right? You can see this account that just started yesterday. So, and I can show my other account. I mean, I'm up 20% in the other account for the last 30 days. So in this account, you're up almost 4% in the first day of this account. So it's up $43 so far, and it's up 35. It's up almost 4% in the first day. That's not bad. Anyways, we're gonna stop listening to these morons because they change the goalpost every time. I had no beef with any of these people until you attack me. You attack me, I'm gonna attack you. You attack me, I'm going to attack you. I had no problem, and I won't have a problem with these people after today. But if you attack me on your stream, I'm going to counterpunch. That's just the way it goes. People tell me all the time that I should just ignore it, and maybe you're right. That's just not my personality. I just don't do that. Yes, Kylan, I have my life savings in this account. You're right, man. Man, you got me. Man, you got me. Oh, you got me. I have my whole life savings. Yeah, a failure with a house and a family totally makes sense. And like I said, like I care what any of you sand dwelling cave people say. Like I fucking care. You're a bunch of sand dwelling cave dwellers. Like I fucking care what you think. We're just gonna we'll ignore them. We'll ignore them for now. So again, it's about consistently growing your account, unless it's not about consistently growing your account, right? Well, you should stick around for another 10 minutes, Xander, because we will take a live trade in a live account, which is more than any of these other people do. You'll never see them do that. Oh my gosh, but it's such a small account. Nobody cares. Nobody fucking cares. Oh, Juice Love, you're great, man. Well, good, Sean. Good for you, man. That's awesome. Good for you. But none of you guys can answer none of you guys can answer, since we have 10 minutes left and I'm looking for the trades. None of you guys can answer. So you just think that I should allow people to go after me? You think I should just let Jeevan go after me? Again, I had forgotten about Jeevan forever. I had forgotten about Jeevan forever. You think I should just let Jeevan say whatever the hell he wants and just let it go? So I should just let him completely lie about me and I should just let it go? I should just let it go, right? I had literally forgotten about them for a long time. I'll definitely show it to you. Okay, but Xander, so nobody respects me, but they respect him because he goes after people all the time. That's what I'm saying. How is it okay for him to go after me, but it's not okay for me to respond? That's what I'm not understanding. I've told you guys I enjoyed listening to him. I've made no beefs about that. I've made no qualms about the fact that I do like listening to him. I don't care about my reputation, Juice. I don't care, because these people aren't relevant. You're a smart guy. You've been with me for a long time. You seem to think I care what my reputation is. I don't. I don't think about it. I don't care. I care two flying fucks what my reputation is. Because guess what? The people that are saying all this stuff about me are fucking losers. Why would I care what a bunch of fucking losers have to say about me? I don't care. I love being the black sheep. Fine. What have I lied about, Xander? What have I lied about? Please elaborate for me. What have I lied about? What reputation? You're right. Exactly. What have I lied about? Actually, I have a full head of hair. I do have a full head of hair, but again, another lie. Just keep throwing shit against the wall to see if it'll stick, Xander. It's beautiful. Just keep throwing shit against the wall and see if it'll stick. Just keep throwing shit against the wall to see if it'll stick. You said I was balding too. That's really great. I'm not, but you're just throwing shit against the wall. It's beautiful. So you think I only trade penny lots? You really think that I only have an account that trades penny lots? I don't even know what chore means, so thank you for the compliment, because I have no idea what that means. So thank you for that. All right, we got 7 minutes left in this candle, and the GJ looks like it could possibly be a buy. So the GJ has the candle that we're looking for, and in 7 minutes, if this candle closes like this, we will take a buy. You enjoy your day too, man. Enjoy your day. And Macedonian, make sure you get ready for your date with those underage girls. Make sure you get ready for that date. It's very important. I will trade the GJ when my pattern sets up. I don't care what time it is. I will trade it when it sets up. How about that? How's that grab you? I'll trade it when it sets up. Yeah, you do you too, man. You do you too. I wish you nothing but success. Hopefully you make money. I wish everybody success. But again, you can't attack me and not think that I'm going to come after you and attack you. It's just not the way things go. It's just not my personality. So I have no beef with Jev. I haven't had a beef with Jev for a long time. But when you attack people, you have to be prepared for them to attack you. No, I'm saying that yeah, you didn't listen very well, D. Boca. You need to get those ears cleaned out. I said that Mac said he had pictures of my underage daughter on his phone. Would you be okay with someone having pictures of your underage daughter on their phone, Boca? Would you be okay with that? You'd be totally okay with some stranger having pictures of your 7-year-old daughter on their phone? Is that what you're saying? I just want to make sure we're clear here. Is that what you're saying? You'd be totally okay with people having pictures of your 7-year-old daughter on their phone? Total strangers, right? You'd be okay with that. That's what he said. That's what he said. I'll post it again today on Instagram, guys. That's what he said. So you're totally okay with that, Boca. You're totally okay with him saying he has pictures of underage girls on his phone. GJ buy if the tail at the end of the hour is longer than the body. Correct. No, he did. No, he said no. I'm misstating that. Something about having pictures of my underage daughter. He doesn't. I've never sent pictures of my underage daughter to him. Nice try though. But you're conflating it though. I mean, that's sick. And in that chat that same day, they were talking about underage girls. You're okay with that? I just want to make sure, Boca. I want to make sure we're very clear that you're okay with people talking about underage girls. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure. Okay, listen. I didn't send it to him. How many times must I repeat that to you? I didn't send him any pictures. I don't send pictures of my 7-year-old daughter to random pedophiles. Okay? I don't do that. But he said, I have pictures of your underage daughter on my phone. How disgusting is that? Do you not understand that? It's sick. You're a sick fuck. Yes, my 7-year-old daughter. And you think that's not going to piss me off? It's sick. I'll show it to you guys again. And you think I'm not going to, we'll go, fuck it. We're going to go do this right now because I'm so fucking sick of this. We're going to go do it right now. I am so fucking sick of you stupid people trying to defend someone that talks about having pictures of my 7-year-old daughter on their phone. Fuck you. We're going to go show it to you right now. We're going to go show it to you right now because I'm so sick of you guys fucking doing that. No, we're gonna trade the GJ in a minute if we. Oh, I shouldn't show you guys this. Maybe you guys will actually call me. Isn't that crazy? I shouldn't show you guys that. Maybe that I shouldn't do that, huh? That's crazy. We're just gonna do it. Okay, we're just gonna fucking do it because I'm so sick of this bullshit. No, I'm not with them. I have a collaboration with them. Gosh, what is the name of that chat again? Oh, here it is. I remember now. Did the panda chat get taken out? Hello? Okay, here we go. Oops, dang. So do I need to? Okay, here we go. We'll just do it. There it is right there, guys. Look at that. There it is right there. There's part of it, right? What does that say right there in that circle? It says, Mac, you have child pornography? Mac said, I tried hitting on her. And he says, only in my phone when I was 16. He had child pornography. Isn't that weird? I circled it right there. And we'll go even further. Isn't that weird? When he was 16, he had child pornography on it. That's weird, isn't it? Isn't that kind of a little bit weird? Isn't that kind of weird? That's a little bit weird. I had child pornography on my phone. Look at the picture. It's Mac's picture. Let's just keep going. It keeps going. I mean, there it is right there. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Right there. See, he just said it again. He has his my daughter's pics on his phone. Isn't that crazy? Only in my phone when I was 16, if that counts. I tried hitting on her, but I only had child pornography on my phone when I was 16, if that counts. Yes, it still counts. Yes, it still counts that you have child pornography when you're on your phone when you're 16. Yes, that still counts. I just... Then he says, you know who I want to fuck? It's JP's sister. I mean, that does kind of still count, doesn't it? All right, is it 10 o'clock? We got to go back to the charts. I'm just saying that it's there. Oh, my daughter said, see what he's doing now? Oh, well, my daughter's 7. She doesn't know how to do that, Mac. See what he's doing again? Listen to what he's saying, guys. Listen to the chat here. Listen to the chat here. He's saying that my daughter sent him pictures. My daughter's 7. She doesn't know how to do that, bud. My daughter's 7. My daughter's 7. How does she know how to do that? How does my daughter know how to do that when she's 7? She doesn't know how to send pictures to you. She doesn't have your phone number. How does she know how to do that? You just said it again. You have pictures of my 7-year-old daughter on your phone. You're a sicko, dude. You're a sicko. You're a pedo. You're not 16 anymore. You just said you have pictures of my daughter on your phone. You're a sicko. You just did it again, dude. You should stop talking about that and proving that you're a sick fuck. You just said it again. No, he said he had pictures. He's saying he has pictures of my 7-year-old daughter on his phone right now, and he's not 16 anymore, Sean. He's saying he has pictures of it. No, I took the trade on the GJ. Look, I took the trade on the GJ. Look, the GJ trade is on there. You just said it again, dude. You just said it again. You just said it again. I have no, yeah. Mac, you really should stop talking. You really should stop talking at this point. Get on your IG right now? Sure, why not? Let's do it. Oh, I'll absolutely come. I'll absolutely come, and I'll still be YouTube streaming while I do it. I'll absolutely come to it. You think I'm scared of that? Let's go right now. Well, let's go back to it. It's on Telegram. It's on Telegram. Let's just go back to it. It's right here.
Show it to me.
I just did. I showed it to you in my live. Are you not paying attention? I did. I showed it to you.
It doesn't make any sense. Nobody in the chat understood what you were saying, bro. Nobody from the chat understood.
Okay, there it is right there again. Right there again.
Oh my god. Nobody in the chat understood what the
Is that not you saying that right there?
fuck.
Is that not it? Is that not it? Mac, only on my phone when I was 16. Is that not you? Is that not you? have to show this again? We have to show this again. Just answer the question. Is this you? Is that you right there?
Okay, yeah, that's me. Go ahead.
What does it say right there?
Only in my phone when I was 16.
So you had child pornography on your phone when you were 16?
No, I never said anything about no child pornography.
Look, right here. Mac, you have child pornography?
I never replied to that.
You just did. You said only on my... Look at this. The guy... This is the... He says, Mac, you have child pornography? And you said only on my phone when I'm 16.
If I'm 16 and I have a picture of your daughter, I don't know. I don't care. Maybe she has a hairy ass pussy. Maybe she has a clean...
You just flat out lied and said you never said it. The proof is right there. That's the proof right there.
16-year-old people are horny. Maybe I was trying to bag your little girl.
But you just said you never said it.
Bro, you're just mad that I mentioned your daughter. That's it.
It's pretty no, dude. Mac, listen. You just said on this. Mac, stop. Mac, stop talking crazy. You just said on the street that you never said it. All right, we still here? Are we still on the YouTube stream? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Are we still on the IG stream? Oh, these people are wonderful. These people are just beautiful, beautiful people. I'm going to get rid of this right now because I don't need that right now. I don't need this right now. Are we still here on YouTube, guys? Check it out. You guys. The funny thing is, you can lie about it all you want. The fact of the matter is, you did say that you had child pornography on your phone when you're 16. I think that's the bottom line. I think that's the bottom line. Child pornography on your phone when you're 16. I think that's. How am I twisting everything? How am I twisting everything, Boca? Did he not say he had child pornography on his phone when he was 16? How am I twisting that? Oh yeah, that's right. And we were talking about Jev never said that. A-Rod pointed something out to me, and it's really important. I can just go to my stream yesterday and you guys are like, Jev never said that. We can just go to my stream because it's on my stream where he talks about that. Oh, she's sorry. We can just go to my stream. Let's just do that because it is on there. He makes a good point. He makes a good point. We can just go to the one yesterday.
Just heavily dependent on the retail.
What happened to that? What happened to it going to 17,000? I don't start things, but when people come after me, I know people say you should just forget it, and I understand that. That's not me. That's not me. Go listen to someone else if that's what you want.
Lockdown confirmed round 2. Economy's 2008, maybe 5 years, 8 years, 10 years will pass. Something else will happen to repeat this cycle. I guarantee it. Unless we have caution, failing to break these high points and failing to break that. I took a macroeconomic class when I took general business.
You don't know anything.
Anything better.
What happened to that analysis, bud?
Good data. Or
what happened to it?
Back then.
What happened?
Trust me, I want like a market fear and market crash because it'd be cool to take a Big Short, like the movie. You know what I mean?
There you go, Big Short. Taking a Big Short. The dude thinks he's smart. He's not smart. Don't come after me, man, and tell lies about me because that's what it was. First of all, I sold gold multiple times. Yes. Listen to this guy. He sucks at trading, and that's why he stopped.
What's going on with Forex?
He sucks.
There it is right there, guys.
Fundamental king. Give me right there. There it is right there.
Makes sense for the drop that it took place. Right? The market is just
here it is right here. Here it is in the flesh, guys. Of fundamentals. The guru of fundamentals. And he fucked that one up big time. He probably took it down. Because why would you want that one still up? Oh, here we go. Here we go.
what makes up the value of the index.
Here we go, guys. Check it out.
Based on investment.
Life is full of unexpected surprises.
This is hilarious.
First day of school.
Majority is.
Here it is, guys.
Move or 30% of that move, you wouldn't classify this pullback as a bullish rally, right? But due to the size of this 4,000 point rebound, you are in just focusing on this piece of market structure, it can confuse you to say, holy shit, man, like stock market is so bullish. But no, when you're looking at the comparisons and how market volatility has heavily increased nowadays versus like when 2018 or 2019, due to the events that are taking place, this correction makes sense. for the drop that it took.
No, it makes sense because of COVID.
Right? The market is just
He's the best hindsight trader too in the world.
Bigger impulsive
It's amazing.
moves also mean bigger or longer periods of correction.
So look at this. This is what he's saying right here. Look at this. He's saying it's going to go down to. He's going to go down to 17,000 again.
Before I pull back to test that market structure.
There it is. He's looking for a pullback.
A continuation down.
And a continuation down. Did you hear what he just said?
Unless we get a change.
Did everybody just hear that? He's looking for market structure and a continuation down to past 17,000. He was in here just an hour ago saying he never said that. Did you hear what he just said? This is the guy that's supposed to be the guru of the fundamental markets. He is. The Dow goes down to 17,000, goes up to 25,000, and he expects because of market structure that it's going to continue down to 17,000.
For longer periods.
Do we need to play that again? There it is. So look at this. This is what he's saying right here. Look at this. He's saying it's going to go down to. He's going to go down to 17,000 again. Hans, the problem is he said in this chat just an hour ago he never said that. He literally came in here and lied, Hans. He said he never said that. He said he never said that. He's like, show it to us. Show it to us. I never said that. I just showed it to you. I just showed it to you. He came in here and he flat out. The problem is it's not the analysis that pisses me off. It's the fact that he comes into this stream and he lies about it. It's the fact that he comes on to my stream and he lies about the fact that he never said it when we all know he did. That's the problem. So you're asking, what's the problem? He fucking lied. He came into the stream and fucking lied about it. That's the problem. Do you not understand that?
Pull back to test that market structure.
There it is. There it is right there. He's looking for a pullback.
A continuation down.
And a continuation down. Did you hear what he just said?
Unless we get a change.
Yeah, I remember that, Paul. I remember that too. I'm still waiting for them to come see me. Yes, I do remember that. That's awesome. Someone doxed me. Awesome. I'm still waiting for them to come see me. Where yet, Paul? Where yet? I'm still waiting for them to come see me. Still waiting. Everybody lies. So again, so you just admitted that. So Hans, you're telling me that he did lie? That's the problem I have. That's the problem. He came in here and everyone's like, oh, he never said that. I just showed you where he said it. The problem isn't that he was wrong on the analysis. Everyone's wrong on analysis. I'm wrong on analysis all the time too. But at least I come in and say I'm wrong. He doesn't even say he's wrong. He comes in here and says, I'm lying about that. I'm not lying about it. He literally said it. Yeah. No one lives in my head rent free. They actually have to pay rent if they're going to live in my head. Yeah, they probably should pay rent. But the fact is, no, I'm not going to complain. Did he or did he not lie, Paul? Paul will never answer this because Paul's just an apologist for him. He'll never answer it. You know he lied. And again, I have no issues with him. But don't go into your stream and attack me and then expect that you're not going to get attacked. I have no problem with him. I really don't. I've said it a million times. I actually enjoyed listening to him. But you're not going to go into your stream and attack me and think I'm not going to attack. Paul just thinks that I should just let Jeff do whatever he wants. That's what Paul thinks. No one fucking cares what Paul thinks, though. I have listened to Jeff, and I listen to him because I want to get different perspectives. And I've said that 1,000 times. But you're not going to go onto your stream and attack me and expect that I'm not going to attack back. That's just facts. It's not going to happen. You're not going to do that. Whether it's right or wrong, you can argue and say, Clay, you should just let it go. And you're probably right. But I'm not going to let people do that. It's just not my style. Right or wrong. But Paul thinks that I should just let it go and just let people talk about my 7-year-old daughter or do this or that. And it's just, and you all talk so tough. Paul says, oh, you remember when these guys did this? Block and let's, you think I'm scared of that? Do you think I'm scared of that? Do you think I'm scared to go on IG Live with you? I just went on IG Live with Mac for like 45 minutes. Do you think I'm scared of that? I'm done with stupid for the day, Paul. I'm done. I'm done with stupid. I'm allergic to stupid today. So going on IG Live with you would just be stupid because you're just going to lie. I'm not scared of anyone. I'm not scared of showing my face. I'm not scared of any of that. I'm not tough on the internet. You come by my house and we'll see if I'm tough. Come by my house, Paul. Come by my house. We don't have to worry about it on the internet. Come by my house. We'll see if I'm tough or not. You're the one that's talking, oh, get on my IG. Let's this. I don't fucking care about you. There's a reason you're blocked, because you're a moron. Good. That's great. We don't want anyone to come to Idaho. We really don't. We have way too many Californians coming here, way too many people from Washington and Oregon. That's great. Please, nobody come. It is. I'm done with it. You're right. I'm just like, you're right. Let's talk trading. I'm done with it. I'm just done with it. I'm not going to talk about Jeeve anymore. I'm going to say this, and I honestly mean it. I wish nothing but the best to everybody. I agree. I didn't start it. I just counterpunched, and I've said my piece, so we can move on. The trade on the GJ is working out okay right now. We're up a little bit on that, and we're up on gold. Again, this isn't a demo account, but again, so this is what they do. They just flat out lie. They just flat out lie. You know what? You just flat out lie. You are flat out lying right now. This is not a demo account. My trades have no stop loss on them right now because I'm watching them. Like, I don't need a stop loss on them right now because I'm literally here watching the market. And the gold ones don't have stop losses because I plan on adding more buys to gold if it goes down further, if that makes sense. I don't have a stop loss on gold because they're tiny lots, and if it goes down further, I'm going to buy more. I'm a swing trader. It's just a different way of trading. Yes, this is what I do. Yes. Yes. It's just a different way of trading, guys. That's all it is. But I don't want anybody to think I have beefs with anybody, but I'm a counterpuncher. If you talk about me, I'm going to talk about you. And I heard that Raja talked about me in his stream. I just don't care. I really don't. Whatever. And I probably shouldn't have. I should have just let it go. You're right. I probably should have. I don't like people lying about me. For better or worse. I just don't like people lying about me. I don't like it. I don't like lies. If you're going to come after me, back it up with stuff. And if you just, as you've seen this morning, everything that these people say is bullshit. It's the only thing I do. It's 10:41 in the morning. I have no shoes and socks on. It's the only thing I do. Yes, correct. That's fine. If Raja and I have had many conversations, and Raja knows I'm going to tease him a little bit, and he's going to tease me. I have no issue. It's when people lie about me. And Jeff, I just feel like he lied about me yesterday, and that's all. And it has nothing else other to do than that. And I'm sure he's going to go after me like crazy, and that's fine. I'm done with it after today. But if you're going to go after me, I'm going to go after you a little bit. That's just the way it goes, guys. Sorry if that makes you feel bad. Just the way it goes. All right, so you can see the trades I'm in. You can see that this account is up almost 5% in one day. And again, it's not about your account size, okay? It's not about your account size. Am I hurt or someone else hurt? Maybe I'm hurt. I don't know. I should check my body. Maybe I do have some scars on there or something. Am I hurt, you mean? Ace, is that what you're saying? Me? I'm hurt? I might be hurt a little bit. You never know. Me? Oh, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm hurt. I don't know. I like Ace. It's all right. Yeah, man. It's all right to hurt, right? It's all good. All right, so it's done for me after today. Again, maybe in 3 months, like he said, maybe we're gonna pray for you. I appreciate it. I do appreciate that. You should pray for me. I'll take all the prayers you can give me, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. God bless you. And God bless Bigfoot. I appreciate that, man. I really do. I appreciate that. I'm going to sleep better tonight knowing that you're praying for me, Ace. It's awesome. I will sleep better tonight knowing that Ace is praying for me. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. Pretty awesome. That's cool, man. I appreciate your concern for my well-being. All right. Everyone have a great day. I'm over it now. I've said my piece. You go after me, I go after you. And I've said my piece. So you're my guardian angel. God help us if you're my guardian angel, man. God help us both. So thank you. Again, thank you, Juice Love. I appreciate what Brampton Ute Canadians have to say. I appreciate that. Brampton Ute. Thank you. We are going to hell? Maybe. I know the United States is going to hell, that's for sure. Like I said earlier, I've never been more ashamed to be an American when 13 American soldiers die because we have a moron in the White House. It was a sad day yesterday, man. A very somber day that we let 13 American soldiers die in Afghanistan because this idiot who's in the White House pulls our troops out before he gets everybody out. It's a disaster, and it's a sad day, to be honest with you. Sad day, man. I was just kills me that 13 families today have to mourn the fact that their son or daughter was killed because this idiot doesn't know what he's doing. All right, everyone have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm over all of this stuff with these guys. I wish nothing but the best for everybody, but don't come after me if you don't expect I'm going to give you a little bit of heat back.